Okay, here's the deal. Rifle season's over. It's late muzzleloader now. Which means I have a little 6-day period to get it done with my muzzleloader. So that's what we're gonna do. Deer. These deer are right in front of me, coming out of the woods. I'm ready as soon as this one steps out. I'm gonna blast her. Okay, I shot one. I couldn't see her fall. I watched her. She looked hit. But we're gonna go check blood. I'm gonna reload and just kind of watch on the porch, just see what happens. Well, yeah. Looks like we got a deer down. There's a ton of hair from when I blew off of her, which isn't necessarily really good. It's not necessarily really bad. But we got, like, nice bright blood. And that's what matters. So, we're just gonna track this. It's spraying. Got a good little line. Yeah, I mean, it looks really good. But we're gonna keep training it. She's really squirting. You guys want to see something? Look at all that. Nice bright red blood. More blood. I'm just gonna keep like walking slow. More blood. She's heading this way. There's blood everywhere. Blood. You can see the trail she took. Easy. This ground's all frozen, so it's pretty noisy. But I mean, we have a good blood trail. I thought I saw her crash, but I don't know. We'll see. Good blood there. She trucked up this hill pretty good. Yeah. I mean, the blood looks good. It's spraying, which I like. It's starting to slow down a little, which I don't really know about. Took off downhill. I mean, it looks good. I can see where she ran across, so I'm gonna pause this real quick and get down there. I got it out. I'll show her more of the house. I thought about this is my first doe in maybe 4 years. But now it's time to drag her to the house and take some pics with her, and yeah. Didn't go far. She came down this hill. I shot her probably 100 yards that way. So, not far at all. I mean, you can see where she came down up there, but I'm gonna get this thing taken care of, and then, yeah, we'll figure out what next. Muzzleloader deer down. Let's go. Dead doe. House.